Firstly, we will go to Marg website, which is www.margerp.com. And from here, we will click on Download section. As you will click on Download section, 3 options will appear in front of you. First is Marg ERP 9 Plus, second is Counter ERP 9 Plus, and third is Payroll Software, HR Expert. Both Marg ERP 9 Plus software and Counter ERP 9 Plus software are same. That is, programming and functioning of both are same, except the fact that there are some differences in both of them. Now we will click on this link of Marg ERP 9 Plus to download Marg ERP software. So a download setup window will open in which we will mention the details. And here one note is given. In order to download your preferred software, please fill this information form. All fields are required to get access of the software and its features. Your privacy is important to us. We will not share your contact information with any external parties. So now we will fill this form. In first field, we will mention our telephone number. Then in second field, we can mention our name. Then in this field, we will mention our email ID. And in this last field, we will select the source of information, means how you got to know about Marg ERP software, that you will mention here. So as we can see in drop down, some fields are shown to us, like I am an existing user, means I am already a user of Marg. SMS means we got to know about Marg through SMS, through Facebook, through Google. Word of mouth means you might have heard from any of your friend or any other person, or you have read in newspapers or magazines. You can choose any option from the above. Then after filling the last field, click on Submit. As you will click on Submit, it will tell you to save the Marg setup, that in which drive you want to save Marg ERP setup. So in whichever drive you want to store this setup, except C drive, you can select that from here, because whenever your system will get formatted, most of the data from your C drive will get erased. That's why we will save the setup in other drive except in C drive. So we will save the setup in E drive. As you will save the setup, downloading will be started. After the downloading process gets finished, we will click here and click on Open from this drop down. Then double click on this zip window. Then this wizard window will open. From here you will click on Next. Then click on I accept the agreement. Then click on Next again. And here you will define the path where you want to install Marg ERP software. By default, path is already being mentioned here. But if you want, then you can change this location with E drive or D drive, except C drive. Because as we have told you before, that whenever your system will get formatted, the data of C drive gets deleted or erased. That's why we recommend you to install your software in default drive or in any other drive except C drive. Suppose we want to install Marg ERP software in E drive. So to change the location, you will click on this browse button. Then this window will open and here you will click on that path where you want to install Marg ERP software. And as we want to install our software in E drive, so we will click on E drive from here and then click on OK. So you will see default path has been changed from E drive. Now we will click on Next button. So you will see there is already a tick on this checkbox. Means if you want an icon of Marg in your desktop, then you will keep this tick on this checkbox, otherwise you can untick it. So we will let this tick remain on this checkbox and click on Next, then click on Install, then enter on Finish. So you can see here Marg ERP 9 Plus software has been installed. So friends, in this way we have learned